in the sands to the north, there is a story as old as time. For thousands of years, many have traveled to seek guidance. The ancestors watch over these lands. He who venture in the depths may be wary, for fate knows no master, and shadows claim no name. Few have survived. Many have fallen. But through the fire, the great devotions. It is here warriors are made, all to become something legendary. Introducing Dragon Sweet.